Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'm going to be highlighting the key things you should consider before starting a project with the Manns Extra Tough Interior Varnish. But first, what is it? Manns Extra Tough Interior Varnish is a non-yellowing, low-odour, clear polyurethane varnish that creates a plastic-like coating whilst protecting and enhancing interior wood. Suitable for use in domestic and light commercial environments. Remember, it's not just tough, it's extra tough. Perfect for use on furniture, interior joinery, tabletops, children's toys, doors, and much, much more. It's always a great idea to start with the best canvas possible. Sand your wood through the grits up to P120, always working with the grain to avoid scratch marks. Ensure your wood is clean, dirt and dust free. To prime or not to prime? That is the question. The Manns Extra Tough Primer is the answer. The benefits you will see are improved coverage, adhesion and a better finish all round. Manns Extra Tough Interior Varnish may look like a peachy white, but it does dry clear, enhancing the natural tone and patina of the wood, giving what we call the wet look. The Manns Extra Tough Interior Varnish comes in handy 100ml sample pots, so you can do your test areas before buying a bigger tin. Your sheen level is the last thing to consider before purchase. Sheen refers to the amount of light reflected from the surface. Contrary to popular belief, this has no influence on the durability of the finish. Matte gives you a flat matte look and feel. Satin, the halfway house between matte and gloss. Gloss gives the light a good surface to reflect off. High gloss, the best surface for light reflection. It's very important to stir thoroughly before use to avoid any inconsistencies in your chosen sheen. If you need any further technical advice or information on your project, why not give us a call or email and put us to the test? We are the experts after all. A full list of the products used in this video will be linked in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content. And as always do a test area.